Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up 401k rollover insurance options with Empower, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary financial documents. Ensure you have your current 401k statements handy. Check if your current employer allows 401k rollovers. Visit the Empower website for account creation. Click on the option to sign up or create a new account. Enter your personal information as prompted. Provide your social security number for verification. Create a secure username and password. Log into your new Empower account once it is established. Locate the rollover options on the dashboard. Select the option for rolling over a 401k plan. Review the different rollover insurance options available. Evaluate each option based on your financial goals. Consider the fees associated with each insurance choice. Take note of the investment types offered. Decide if you want a traditional or Roth rollover. Integrate your investment preferences into your decision. After making your selection, complete the rollover request form. Ensure you input accurate information from your current 401k. Submit the request and monitor its progress. Check your email for any confirmation messages from Empower. If needed, consult with a financial advisor for further guidance. Monitor your new account regularly post-rollover. Keep an eye on performance and make adjustments as necessary. Stay informed about changes in rollover insurance options. This will help you manage your retirement savings effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.